Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. I welcome you all at Ep6 online classes. I am your teacher Mumal Iqbal. I teach you mathematics in class 3. Today date is 16th of August 2021. Day is Monday. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, rounding numbers. Objective is students will be able to round numbers to the nearest 10. Resources are textbook pages 16 and 17, workbook pages 13 and 14. As I told you that today we are studying about rounding numbers. So what is rounding number, students? Rounding number is replacing a number with an approximate value that has a shorter, simpler or more representation is called rounding number. So here is a word bank which help us to solve the questions of rounding numbers. Like in last class I have given you some words of some word bank like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and today I introduce you new words like we use in rounding numbers like nearest, approximately, and after the approximately I write here the symbol of approximately which we use for rounding numbers. Okay, approximately symbol is this which I written after the word. Now the next word is downward, backward, upward or forward. Now these words we use for rounding numbers, and here is ones. You can see that in ones I have write 8. In tens I have written here two numbers, 3 is stand for ones and tens, 8 is stand for tens. Number second is hundreds, 8 now here 4 is stand for ones, 3 is stands for tens and 8 is stand for hundreds. In thousand the 5 is stand for ones, 4 is stand for tens, 3 is stand for hundred and 8 is stand for thousand. So you have to memorize the place value, that which number is which digit is stand for which place value. And the nearest and approximately what we use for rounding numbers. And after I approximately I write here the symbol of approximately which we have to use in rounding number. Or I define you what is rounding number. Now here I draw a number lines, or we can say it line plots. In this you can see the large bar and small bar. In large bar we have represented here the 10, 20, 30 and 40. In small bars there is 11, 12, means the large bar is showing the tens and the small bar is showing the ones. And we can say the number lines or line plot. Now I have written here that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the lower 10 and the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 higher tens. Now what is mean by this? We can, students, if the digit in the ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, round off the number to the lower 10. Okay. And if the number in the ones place is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, round off the number to the higher 10. Means if the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in ones place, so what we can do? We can round off the number from the lower 10. Means we have to count back. When there is a number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to count back. If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so what we do in one place? So we round off from the higher 10, means we have to count forward. You can see I have written here some examples. There is a number 18. Okay. There is a number 18. You can see in the number lines there is a number 18 and we have to round off it. So in ones place which number is there? there is 8 number. So 8 number is in higher tens. Okay, is the 8 number is higher tens. So we can see in a number line that in higher 10 what number is near to 18? The number is near to 18 is 20. So means 18's approximately 20, means 18's round off is 20, because in ones place there is a number 8 and number 8 is a higher 10. Number 8 is a higher 10. So we have to count forward. We have to count higher 10. So we can see that in 18, in number line, 18's nearest number is 20. So the 18's approximately is 20, and this is the sign of approximately. In next number we have to round off 33. So in ones place we can see there is a number which is 3, and in tens number there is also the number is 3. So in number line we can see is 33, and 3 is a lower number. So what we can do, we decrease the number, we backward the number, means 33's nearest is 30. 33's nearest is 30. So what is the round of 33? The round of the 33 is 30. The 33 is approximately of 30. So we can do round off by follow the lower tens and higher tens, and also we follow the number lines or line plot. Okay students, you have get it. Now come to textbook page 16. Rounding numbers. As I told you earlier, the topic is the rounding numbers, lesson 4. Now here is an example that Mrs. Ali went shopping. She bought a handbag for $58, a pair of shoes for $73, and a dress for $35. What is the cost of each item rounded to the nearest $10? So rounding number to the nearest 10, the handbag cost is $58. So here you can see the number lines. Okay, in number line there is, in large bar shows the tens number and the small bar shows the ones number. Is now 58 is between 50 and 60. 58 is nearer to 60 than 50. We get 60 when we round 58 to the nearest 10. 58 is approximately equal to 60. Now you can see that 58 approximately 60. Now this is the symbol of approximately. The handbag cost about $60. The sign approximately means approximately equal to. To round a number to the nearest 10, look at the digit in the one place. As I told you earlier, then when we have to round off the number, we have to look in the ones place that which number is there. If there is a 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 number, so we have to count backward or lower tens. If there is a number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so we have to count forward or higher tens. Move to the next page. Question number 2 is the pair of shoes cost $73. 73 is between 70 and 80. 73 is nearer to 70 than to 80. We get dash when we rounded 73 to the nearer 10. Now we can see that 73. 3 is the lower number. So we have to 73, so the nearest number is 70. So we get 70 when we round 73 to the nearest 10. 73 approximately equal to 70. The shoes cost about $70. We round down a numbers when the digit in the ones place is less than 5. The next example is the dress cost $35. So 35 is exactly halfway between 30 and 40. We get 40 when round 35 to the nearest 10. 35 approximately equal to 40. The dress cost about $40. We round up a number when the digit in the ones place is 5 or greater. Fourth one is round 437 to the nearest 10. So we can see in last the number is 37. So 437 is between 430 and 440. The 437 is nearer to dash than. The 437 is nearer to 47 because in the ones place we have the number 7, the higher number. So it is nearest to 440. 437 is the nearer to 440 than to 437, approximately equal to 440. So this is your workbook page number 13. Write your name, class, date. As you know, topic is number pattern. So round each given number to the nearest 10. Use the number lines to find the answer. Now here is, you can say the number line. In number line there is a number written 30, 40, 50 and 44. So the question is 44 is between dash and dash. 44 is between 40 and 50. 44 is nearer to dash than 2. Now we can see that 4 is a lower number. So we count from backward. So 44 is nearer to 40 than to 50, and 44 approximately equal to 40. Okay, the above question part B, part C you have to solve individually. Okay, this is your homework. Same as is, you have to solve on workbook page number 40, question number 3, fill in the blanks. Use the number lines to find the answer. Like part A is 24 is dash when rounded to the nearest 10. Now 24 is dash when rounded to the nearest 10. Okay, so here is 21, 22, 23, 24. So as 24 in ones place there is a 4 and 4 is a lower number. So we have to count back. So 24 is 20 when rounded to the nearest 10. So 24 is nearest 20, nearest 10. As same you have to solve the other questions. So this is from my side today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.